Benita says, I work in a major large grocery store. Shop late night before the store closes or come in early when the store opens. So much is in reduced meat and produce department. Yes,
Very
this is
good
one of
tip.
our huge tips. Shop the clearance.
Mm-hmm.
In Texas, I would go
and
at night.
in the morning, or like she said, in the evening.
In Texas, I would go at night and shop like at 7 or 8 o'clock at night, because that's when they put all their stuff on sale when we lived in Texas. In Kansas, Colorado, and Wyoming, I go in the morning because that's when they put all of their stuff on sale. Just learn when your store puts the stuff on clearance and ask. Ask the baker, ask the butcher, when do you mark down your meats? And here's another big tip that I don't hear anybody except us, because we're just that good. Say.
You don't have big head here tonight, do we?
Yeah, but have you ever heard anybody say this? Shop after the holidays. Shop after Thanksgiving, and your hamburger and your chicken breasts will be on clearance. Why? Because everybody was buying their turkeys. Memorial Day, the excess hamburger, Memorial Day and Labor Day, the excess hamburger that they bought that they didn't sell for Memorial Day and Labor Day will be on sale. Also, their chicken will be on clearance because nobody's buying chicken. They were all buying their ribs and their steaks and their hamburgers.
Yeah.
So I go after the major holidays. Memorial Day, Labor Day, Easter is a great time to pick up some hams afterwards and extra eggs. I've gotten Christmas is another one, big for hams and turkeys. That week between Christmas and New Year's, oh my goodness, I do not believe in no spend January. I think
the worst
it's
time
the worst time to not
spend.
spend.
That's when you should be spending totally.
I get so many good deals, especially on groceries, between December 26th and January 10th.
Yeah.
I just get so many good deals.
I think there's something, maybe bookkeeping, something or another. You guys would probably know more. At that time period that the stores are trying to get rid of all their inventory.
Yeah, they have to get rid of the inventory for January 1st inventories.
Yeah, so that's why they're doing that. So that's why it's such an important time to do shopping. So don't do the no spend January. And you know, the no spend January on top of that, that's like saying I'm going to go on a diet this week to lose my weight, but next week I'm going to allow myself to go.
It's like saying a budget actually helps you get your spending under control. It doesn't. It's not the budget that does anything. A budget does not help you save money.
No, it's your mindset and you deciding not to spend. And that's another thing we need to mention. Get out of debt now as best as you can. We're talking about groceries, I know, and saving on groceries, but the most important thing above all else is to get out of debt so that you can have the extra money to put towards the groceries and the utilities when things get really, really bad.